Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to create a really simple candy corn ombre mani using gel products from Sundara Nails. Now these products that we're using today are Hema 21 free and they are fantastic. So I already went ahead and did a layer of gel base on all the nails and cured for 30 seconds. Now I find that the way that I'm doing the ombre today, it worked best with a layer of white over it. So I'm doing Fluffy Clouds here, which is by far the most pigment white gel polish ever. It is so full coverage. It is everything. It is definitely something to have in your collection because I only needed to use one coat and check out that coverage. It's bright, it's very, very full coverage. It is everything. Okay, so I found that it worked best to have a white base that's cured, and then we're going to use this makeup sponge here, and we're going to be creating a like candy corn ombre and mani, and then we're going to add a little twist to it with this really fun new top coat that's perfect for Halloween. So I'm just dabbing a little bit of this product. Well, actually not a little bit. I'm basically saturating the sponge here with that golden yellow, and it looks a little bit orange on that sponge here, but wait till you see it when we start dabbing it on the nail. It's like the perfect candy corn yellow. So now I'm going in with Fluffy Clouds again just to give it that separation here, to give it that perfect candy corn look. Now if you do get any of that color polish on your white brush, you make sure you clean that off before you go ahead and stick it in the bottle. Otherwise, if you are worried about contaminating your bottles, you could always use some of this polish on a palette and then use like a flat brush to apply it to the makeup sponge as well. And then we're going in with Pumpkin Patch, which is the perfect Halloween orange here. It is bright, but yet it has like this like darkness to it. Also the golden yellow and Pumpkin Patch glow in the dark. So now I'm just going to gently dab this onto the nail here. And I want to make sure I'm kind of staying in the same place when we're dabbing, just to make sure that we have this beautiful radiant candy corn effect. You can see it coming together already with that first coat here. So you can see it already has that beautiful radiance to it. And doesn't it look like a candy corn? But I want to make it a little bit darker, so I cured for 30 seconds and I'm going in with the same sponge here. I did not add any more product to it, and I'm going to go ahead and dab that on the nail here. And you can see here that these colors are even coming more to life. Now if you are doing this on your hand itself and not a press on, you could use that 3M medical tape that I use for color blocking. You could put that as a barrier on your skin to protect it from getting any of that gel polish on there if you're using this method on your natural hand. But overall, so fun. Check out that gorgeous ombre, and I just love how it like transitioned with like this gorgeous fade, and it was super easy to do. Okay, so that's cured. Now to like seal in this mani and to give it more of like a spooky treat kind of vibe, we're going to use this new top coat here. It is called Spooky Treats. It is everything. It has the most like ethereal kind of style glitter. And it just felt like this ombre needed glitter. I mean, it was great on its own, but you can see here the finished mani. I did the rest of the nails off camera today to save some time, but you can see here how pretty it looks with that glitter. This would also be another way to rock this mani, would be with like a matte finish or skipping the glitter altogether, but I just thought the glitter was like a nice touch. But I wanted to keep this video short today so you could just get straight to the point and see how to create this look. And I think candy corn nails are just so fun, and you could do it with a gel polish with that little makeup sponge. So again, options are endless when you're doing your nails at home. And the polishes that we use, when you are using any of the Sundara gel polishes, they're very almost like full coverage right away. So you're gonna get a really good color payoff when you are doing the ombre with that makeup sponge with the method that we just did, because they're just so full of color. All right, so you're probably wondering where that image is for today's giveaway Google entry form. It is gonna be right here. So it's such a short video, but we still have to throw in that image. If you are new to the series, I am doing a 31 days of Halloween series, and each day of the video there is a random image that pops up, and then that is the image you need to enter in your Google giveaway entry form for that day. And then at the end of the series, we're already on day 28. I will spin a wheel, and then there is a winner, and I believe we have 10 companies involved in this. It's super fun. So if you miss any of the series, you can always go back. They are on my channel. You just click on the channel, and under videos you can find them all there. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this really simple, easy to achieve candy corn mani with some amazing Hema 21 free products from Sundara Nails. Everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next spooky one.